What if I told you that every single day, one factory processes over 500,000 turkeys with incredible speed, precision, and technology, without stopping for even a minute? Behind these massive doors lies one of the most advanced food production systems on Earth, where every second matters and every movement is carefully engineered. The journey begins long before the factory starts operating. Every turkey arriving at this facility has already passed through strict farming, health, and quality standards. By the time they reach the processing plant, an enormous logistical operation is already underway. From the outside, the building looks like an ordinary industrial warehouse. Inside, however, thousands of synchronized machines, intelligent control systems, robotic equipment, and highly trained specialists work together in perfect coordination to accomplish something that seems almost impossible. More than 500,000 turkeys are processed here every single day. Every stage has been designed to maximize efficiency while maintaining food safety, product consistency, and strict international quality regulations. The moment the birds enter the facility, the automated production line begins. Instead of relying entirely on manual labor, computerized conveyor systems transport the birds through each processing stage with remarkable precision. Every movement has already been calculated. Every machine performs a specific task. Every second has been optimized. Throughout the entire facility, intelligent monitoring systems continuously collect data from hundreds of sensors. These sensors constantly measure operating speed, equipment performance, temperature, sanitation conditions, and production efficiency. If even a small irregularity appears, technicians receive instant notifications. Nothing is left to chance. One of the most impressive features of this factory is synchronization. Rather than operating as individual machines, every department communicates with the next through centralized computer systems. When one section speeds up, the following sections automatically adjust. When maintenance becomes necessary, production can be redirected without interrupting the entire operation. This level of coordination allows the factory to maintain an extraordinary production capacity every hour of every day. After the initial processing stages, advanced cleaning systems begin their work. Here, automated equipment performs extremely precise washing procedures using carefully controlled water temperatures, filtration systems, and sanitation technologies. Maintaining cleanliness isn't simply important. It is absolutely essential. Throughout the production process, strict hygiene protocols are continuously enforced. Automated cleaning equipment operates alongside production lines while dedicated sanitation teams perform regular inspections throughout the facility. Every production area follows internationally recognized food safety standards designed to protect consumers around the world. As production continues, sophisticated inspection technology becomes increasingly important. High-speed optical cameras examine every product moving across the conveyors. Laser measuring equipment verifies dimensions. Computer vision systems detect abnormalities that would be almost impossible for the human eye to identify at such incredible production speeds. Artificial intelligence continuously compares every product against strict quality specifications. Whenever something falls outside acceptable limits, automated sorting systems immediately separate it from the main production flow for additional inspection. Nothing is overlooked. Every product must meet the same high standards before continuing. While intelligent machines perform thousands of repetitive operations, experienced technicians remain responsible for supervising the entire system. They monitor computer dashboards filled with real-time production information. They analyze equipment performance. They inspect production quality. Most importantly, they understand what the data actually means. Technology provides information. Human experience provides judgment. This partnership between automation and skilled professionals allows the facility to operate with remarkable reliability. As products move deeper into the factory, advanced cutting, trimming, and portioning systems begin transforming them into different commercial products. Every cut is precisely programmed. Every measurement is carefully controlled. Every portion is produced according to customer specifications. Whether the final destination is supermarkets, restaurants, hotels, or international food distributors, consistency remains one of the factory's highest priorities. Once processing is complete, the products enter high-speed packaging departments. Here, robotics take over once again. Automated packaging machines carefully position, seal, label, and prepare thousands of products every hour. Barcode systems verify tracking information. Weight sensors confirm packaging accuracy. Quality control cameras inspect every finished package before it continues toward shipping. Nothing leaves the factory without passing multiple inspection checkpoints. Beyond packaging lies another critical operation. Massive refrigerated storage facilities. Inside these climate-controlled warehouses, temperature remains carefully regulated every minute of every day. Computerized inventory systems organize thousands of pallets with extraordinary precision. Automated forklifts transport products through narrow aisles while digital logistics software coordinates incoming orders and outgoing shipments. From here, products begin their journey toward customers across the country and around the world. What makes this factory truly remarkable isn't simply its enormous size. It is the incredible coordination happening every second. Thousands of machines. Hundreds of workers. Millions of individual operations. All functioning together like one perfectly synchronized system. Every department depends on the next. Every decision affects the entire production process. And despite the extraordinary automation, people remain essential. Engineers maintain the equipment. Food safety specialists verify quality. Technicians monitor every production stage. Experienced professionals make the critical decisions that machines cannot make alone. Perhaps that's the most fascinating lesson hidden behind this enormous factory. The future of manufacturing isn't about replacing people. It's about combining intelligent automation with human expertise. Machines deliver speed. Computers deliver precision. People deliver experience, responsibility, and judgment. Only together can they achieve production on this incredible scale. The next time you see packaged turkey products inside a supermarket, you'll know they represent far more than food. Behind every package stands an extraordinary world of engineering, logistics, robotics, quality control, sanitation, and human dedication working together every single day. Ending. If you enjoyed discovering how one of the world's most advanced factories processes 500,000 turkeys every day, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Factory Insider TV. And now I want to hear from you. Which part amazed you the most, the incredible automation, the intelligent inspection technology, or the massive synchronized production system? Leave your answer in the comments. Your suggestions help us choose the next incredible factory documentary. Until the next adventure, keep discovering what happens behind the machines.